So hi guys, for today's vlog, ayan, nandito kami sa Linz guys. Bibili kami ng sofa. Wow, what is this? Sean, o das? Ang ganda. Bibili kami ng ano guys, sofa. Heidi, come. Dito din yung guys, orange. Orange. Heidi, Alishan, come here. Nasa Momax. Ay, love, no, ano, love? Like this. Ay, you put Alishan here. I know, it's okay. I didn't know it. Love, you put Alishan down. Wow, this is Sean, love.
Oh, wow.
Huh? Heidi, come, go, go, go. Gihindered baboy is to. Bibili kami ng sopa, guys. Wow, this is Sean, love.
But when this is
1.5. Oh, this is Sean. Oh, maganda to, guys. Was?
What is that's true, that.
Yeah? Heidi, gihindered. Yeah, this is Sean, but this is gross, love. Malaki kasi to guys, maganda siya oh. Yung aming living room, hindi gaano malaki. Come here.
What is
Yeah. Yeah, this is ano, Momax.
what that? What
Yeah.
Papa?
Heidi, gain dirt, babo. Heidi ko, babo is dirt.
What is where?
Yeah, sure, ano da. Hey, Alishan lang sab. Ang dami magaganda guys. Kaso yung aming living room, limited lang yung space. Hindi ganun kalaki. O ito maganda din siya. 1,499 euro. Tapos, ang ganda. Hey, come here, come. Come. Go dito, babu. Ah, this one, love, Sean. But it's, ano, klein eh. Wow. La, 1.3.
this is maganda.
Oh, maganda siya, love. Ang ganda. Ha?
243, but
Maganda siya.
on this other side, you know.
Pwede go. Yun na may mga bed nila guys. Ang gaganda. Magkano ito? 1,500. Sure. Lab, this one oh. Ha? Ah, it's gross.
This.
Maganda rin ito. Ito maganda siya guys. Ito. Yeah. It's yun, love. Kaya dili, Alishan din doon. Kaya dili.
Was ist in Titte? Was ist in Titte?
Restaurant.
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 Middel, Sofa und so ist zweite.
Das weiß ich nicht. Ich fahre ins Restaurant. Wissen Sie, wo die Sofas und das?
Ich bin das erste Mal. Ich bin das erste Mal da. Also ich
Genau hier in die
Well, the Bobby.
Here, love, how is it? Choose! Choose! Stepy lang.
Heidi,
Pwede ka.
Yes.
No, we can go. You with me. Iniwan tayo, Alishan ni Babo. Guys, ang ganda guys, oh. Napakaganda. Heidi, Alishan, come here. Ay, anak ko. Lab. Here, love, oh. So, kanina nandun kami sa Momax. Ngayon, nandito kami sa XXX Lots. Guys, ang daming magaganda, guys. Kaso yung aming living, yung aming sala, hindi ganun kalaki. Yung si Alicia yung takbo ng takbo. O, diba? Ang gaganda, ang dami, oh. This one, love, Sean. It's big, Uda. Ito, gusto ko dun. Kaso malaki. 250 lang yung size ng aming ano, yung lapad niya, guys. Shatsi, come here. Heidi, give Dini Brilli. Come, give Mama your Brilli. Ayaw niya ibigay. Heidi, give your Brilli. Oh, this is shown out. Ang ganda, guys. Ang daming magaganda talaga. Love. This one, love. It's kleiny. Door, oh. Alishan. Come here. Das ist schon. Come. Babu is here. Go there, go. Here. This one, love. Huh?
Nicht schön.
Nicht schön. Ganito.
Das ist schön.
Ganitong size lang yung para sa amin. Ano. But this is gross, love. Ito maganda, guys. Oh. Maganda siya. Ayan, maganda. 15114. Ito, guys, ganitong sopa lang yung kasya sa amin. 246. Ganitong sopa lang kasya dun sa ano namin, plots. Maganda siya, love. Tapos ano, dark gray. It's shown, oh. Tapos meron pang ano, ayun, oh. Pwede ka mag-charge. So guys, ito yung gusto ko, guys, na sofa. Kaso medyo malaki siya. 250, 258.
Mama.
Yung space namin, 250 lang.
Mama.
So guys, ito yung warehouse ng ano, Momax. Yan, dito namin kukunin yung binili namin sofa. So ayun, thank you for watching.